Consider a situation where you need to attend a meeting in your partner's office. You have to hand in your ID beforehand and gain approval from their facilities management. On the day of visit, you have to wait in a long queue for a temperature check, and then a queue again at the security desk to collect your visitor pass. You still have to line up to go through the turnstile at the elevator lobby. Once you reach your floor, you have to be escorted wherever you go. Aren't all these tedious and time-consuming? And what if one of the visitors forgot to return their pass? Some worn-out wires in your building's utility room short-circuited and triggered fire. An alarm is set off. The facility has to make sure every person has been evacuated and no straggler has been left behind. How do they check on that and ensure 100% evacuation? During evacuation, emergency exits are blocked due to boxes and rubbish piled up. In such chaos, someone slips on wet floor and falls. All these factors can result in a cost to the building owner, who is liable for the compensation that may need to be paid. How does one differentiate between a genuine accident and fraudsters who pretend to trip and fall in order to claim compensation? Is there a system that can help to improve visitor experience and minimize such liabilities? Smart technology is able to handle complex incidents like these in real-life environments. The visitor sends her selfie and sufficient information to identify themselves. An encrypted electronic visitor pass is sent to her smartphone. The visitor can walk into the facility next morning. The system will authenticate her as she walks up and grants her access automatically. The visitor does not have to stop for a temperature check. It is done on the move. Visitors can then enter any authorized area without queuing or an escort. While her access is continuously tracked by the system, general operators and guards cannot see her face. Her privacy is fully protected. Her pass can be set to expire at a particular time, so there's no risk of her not returning her pass. Our company's contactless access control can operate from a distance without a centralized database, streamlining the visitor registration process, which eliminates the possibility of privacy breach. The system keeps track of the number of people who enter and exit each area to make evacuation efficient. This smart solution can inform building management for blocked doorways and exits, wet spots on the floor, or other hazards that may cause accidents. The real-time response alerts nearby guard to take immediate action in order to prevent insurance scams or any compensation payouts. Our company offers the most comprehensive safety, security, and operational efficiency management applications available to facility managers, including many capabilities that are patented and totally unique. Our system can work at a lower resolution and hands at a far greater distances than other systems. With WildFaces, user experience can be greatly improved and liability issues can be minimized. The technology is brought to you by the world's leading supplier of artificial intelligence and video-based analytics by doing more with less.